Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna unbox my new car essentials kit that I recently purchased from Amazon in $46, and I'm gonna see what are the items I have got and how it's gonna help me in real world scenarios. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So this is what I have got, and now I'm gonna open it. So I removed the main plastic bag and I have this second bag. This is what I'm gonna place in my car. I'm getting some smell, maybe because this is a new bag, that's why it's coming. So I gotta open this. I should place it like this. Okay, so many things they have sent to me. Okay, this is really good that these are the triangles, emergency triangles. Like I have got two of them. So and the good thing is these products are with radium. So at night, if your car is broken down somewhere and you need to warn the other travelers, so you got to place it around so that they can see the radium. Or of course you have to turn on your emergency light on as well. So this really helps. Okay, I've got a screwdriver. Now this is a really good thing, like pressure air compressor. This I can use to put air in my tire if I see any issue, because I have a tire pressure monitoring system installed in my car. So in case of any issue, that is gonna give me automatic indication. But with this I can even do better, and it comes with this cigarette lighter. So that means I can just use car battery to turn it on. That's really good. And they have given me gloves and water pliers. Okay, I've got a plier, first aid kit, small first aid kit they have given as well, emergency poncho. So this is like to protect you from water. This cutter is really important. Like if you are stuck inside your car and you need to cut belt or anything, this is really a life-saving equipment. Tape they have given to fix some small things. Now these vertical cables are also really important. If your battery is down and your car is not getting started, you're gonna use it to turn it on. So overall this seems like a very good package, and they have given me this torch as well. Amazing. So I've got a very good deal. So you can go ahead and buy this if you have a car, and it's always good to have these kits in your car for yourself. So I hope you like this video. Make sure that you like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always free to ask. Thank you guys.